Hi, I'm Spring.
And I'm Yin.
We think that everyone is born to sing.
We all have songs within us that want to be sung.
A wellspring of songs.
Everyone can sing. Everyone can sing.
So, welcome you to the workshop this Saturday, April 6th.
We're looking forward to being with you and exploring and tending to the garden of song within your soul.
It's going to be fun and relaxing, nourishing.
And we have a song for you that we just got today.
For this.
Oh, listen to the rhythm of your heart. A garden of songs waiting to be sung. Bloom. Okay, we'll do it again. This is how we are. This is the reality of singing. Okay.
Yes.
Oh, listen to the rhythm of your heart. A garden of songs waiting to bloom. See you soon.
See you soon.